What's up, guys? Back in the Texas shop, found some stainless steel at the dump today. An old washer drum. Gonna strip it down and prep it for a custom build. Stick around. Man, look at this heating element. That is straight up nasty. Decades of gunk and calcium buildup right there. It's a miracle this thing didn't catch fire. Tossing this in the scrap pile. We don't need it for the build. Alright, enough messing around with these plastic bits. I'm dying to see what's inside. Time to grab the grinder and slice this drum right down the middle. Let's make some sparks cooling. Look at all that gunk. Exactly what I expected. But it's here where the real mess was. It's hiding right behind the drum, right where the bearing's at. This is going to be a tough one to clean up, but we're fixing to get it done. Behind the drum, man, it's even worse than I thought. This gunk builds up in every single washer out there. And honestly, it feels like there's no way to ever fully get rid of it. You're looking at years of detergent and grime just stuck there. I'm doing all of this, with a dream in my heart. One day, I'm going to be building and working in the great United States of America. I see this from the bottom of my soul. Thank you for watching and supporting my journey. See you soon.